Why was the investor attracted to this deal, and how did you sell this investor on coming into the deal?
Well, first of all, deals don't sell investors. People sell investors. If you don't establish a reputation, right, or establish yourself as someone that says they're going to do something and doesn't follow up, they're not going to invest with you. It's establishing that credibility. But also at the same time, if you haven't done a deal before, don't let that fear keep you from doing it. Well, a lot of people will tell themselves, well, I've never done a deal. Who's going to trust me? The key is in that situation, for anyone that's new, is partner with someone who has the experience and leverage the experience from other people to establish your credibility. It's not just all about you. It's the team that you build around you, and that's first and foremost. And people will invest with you because they trust you and they feel comfortable with you, not necessarily because of the deal. I can present some of my investors any type of deal, and they'll invest into that deal because they're not necessarily invested in storage or multifamily or a home or whatever it is. They're investing in me, and they also want that different type of return that they're not getting from stocks and bonds and mutual funds and things like that, your standard type of investments.